Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick review on this genius idea from OTR Performance. This is the 1999 through 2013 Volvo Reset mod. And this thing saved me last week. I was driving down the road in Georgia. My DPF light starts flashing. The check light is on. And it gives me 165 minutes until a 5 miles per hour D rate. Also says pull over and do a part regen. So I had actually bought this thing, never hooked it up. I just put it in the sleeper just for peace of mind. And of course, when this happened, I pull over and I reach for this mod. And so I hook it up, very simple. The directions are on the mod itself. I hook it up, clear all the codes. It was throwing SCR codes. I clear the codes, start the truck back up, do a forced regen, and it's all clear. I mean, it's running great, sounds great, so I go. And I haven't had a problem since. That was 5,000 miles back now, and it's running great. And I don't know what that means exactly, but this tool right here saved me. Even if you did the reset and it come back on, you know you have issues, you got to get to a shop. Well, I didn't have to get towed. That saved me a ton of time and a ton of money. This mod right here is a lifesaver. It's the best tool you can have in your truck. If you have drivers and a fleet of trucks, this right here is going to save you. It's going to save you a lot of money because then you can get to a shop of your choice. You're not stranded on the side of the road. And this took all of 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and I'm back on the road, and everything's great. And also, one thing about this mod is if you check your codes and you're having some issues, you know, I don't know, a knock sensor or anything on the truck that you have to replace and then reset the ECU, you can now do yourself. You know, fix the problem, do your reset, and off you go. It's a genius idea, and thank you, Jason, and your crew, your team at OTR Performance. You guys are great, and I really appreciate it. Thanks, guys.